Clear to take off, runway 09, Olympic Commercial.
Move flower 96 Uniform Yankee, final to 7, Heraklion runway site.
KLM 335, contact Santorini 118050.
118050, thank you, bye bye, KLM 335.
Moonflower 96 Uniform Yankee, runway 27, clear to land 290 degrees, 12 knots.
Clear to land to 7, move flower 96 Uniform Yankee.
And back in 1254, precision.
Back in 1254, descent flight level 130.
Pressure, back in 1254.
Reach 441, descend 4,000 feet via VIP procedure, cleared VOR Yankee 29 right.
Descent 4000, cleared VOR Yankee 29 right, reach 441. And sorry, reach 441, say again, did you say direct to Levco?
No, you will follow the whole procedure, the VOR Yankee 29 right, and report established.
Roger that, full procedure for 29 right, VOR Yankee, and we'll report fully established, reach 449, or 441.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Serbia 2 kilo, flight level 210 inbound, Mike kilo 810, and we have information.
Sync rate. 30. 20.
Information echo, sorry.
10.
Air Serbia 2 kilo, hello radar, contact descent flight level 980 via Agapu 1 Papa.
Agapu 1 Papa, descent 980, and Serbia 2 kilo.
Olympic 117, you're identified, climb flight level 240.
Flight level 240, Olympic Commercial.
Auto brake disarmed.
Control Scandinavia 2933, established on final for runway 03 left 12 miles.
Scandinavia 2933.